Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing the primary reason why some women face challenges with losing weight and offering practical solutions to overcome this. If you are struggling with your weight loss goals, this video is perfect for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any of my future videos. So what is the number one reason preventing women from losing weight? Could it be genetics, hormones, metabolism, stress, a sedentary lifestyle, or maybe improper exercise habits? Whilst all of these factors influence weight management, the real culprit lies elsewhere, something many women unintentionally do, sabotaging their weight loss efforts. The number one reason women can't lose weight is overeating. Yes, overeating. You might be thinking, but I don't overeat. I eat healthy foods and watch my portions, and that's great, but it might not be sufficient. The truth is, most women tend to underestimate how much they eat and overestimate how much they burn. They believe they consume fewer calories than they actually do and assume they burn more than they truly accomplish. This insight comes from my experience as a coach, having worked with numerous women, including myself when I struggled with my weight for many years. Many women I have coached have tried various diets and exercise programs that initially showed promising results, but ended in regained weight. Why was this? Because weight loss programs aren't a sustainable solution. The key to successful weight loss lies in adopting healthy lifestyle habits that are long-term and nourishing for your body. Just like I realized at the time, I was consuming more calories than I needed, leading to the storage of excess fat. Food serves as fuel for our bodies, which are composed of earth, water, and air. Overeating leaves no space for water and air in the stomach, causing distress, fatigue, and weakening of internal organs. Long-term overeating can lead to health issues such as heart disease. To counter this, one should eat according to their hunger cues, filling a third of their stomach with food, another third with water, and leaving the remaining third for air. Opt for whole, high-quality foods and avoid processed and sugar-laden items, as these can affect hunger hormones. Visualizing portion sizes using your hand. Your palm represents protein, thumb for healthy fats, cupped hand for carbs like grains and fruits, and a fist for vegetables. Listening to your body's hunger cues, knowing when to stop eating is crucial for overall health and weight loss. Embrace mindful eating by avoiding distractions while eating and chewing your food slowly to aid digestion. Pause midway through your meal and assess your fullness level before taking another bite. Overeating can lead to various health issues, hence moderation is key. Find a balance between quality and quantity when it comes to nourishing your body. If you are struggling to lose weight, overeating may be the culprit. Take the time to honestly assess your food intake and activity levels. Dive into your inner self and understand the origin of your hunger. Is it genuine hunger or just a desire to eat a specific food? Developing this relationship with yourself will help you manage your eating habits more effectively. Another factor affecting weight loss in women is hormonal fluctuations during the menstrual cycle, which can lead to increased hunger, cravings, and water retention, causing overeating and hindering progress. Whilst hormones do play a vital role in our bodies, understanding their impact on appetite and metabolism allows women to adapt their eating habits accordingly. Stay hydrated, limit sugar and salt intake, and manage your cravings by choosing healthier alternatives. Be kind to yourself, as hormonal fluctuations during menstruation are a natural process. If weight loss slows down during this time, it's okay. Just listen to your body's cues. Consume nutrient-dense foods, fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 fats such as salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts, which help reduce inflammation and improve mood during menstruation. Adequate sleep is also crucial for hormone regulation. Managing cravings and avoiding overeating. Try to maintain a consistent sleep routine. Remember, if you are struggling to lose weight, overeating may be the reason, but don't worry, you can change that. Just be honest with yourself and take action. If you do need support, I am here for you. Just leave me a comment below to let me know what challenges you are coming across, or you could send me a private message on Instagram. I would love to hear from you and assist you further on your weight loss journey. Thank you for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, do let me know in the comments below if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Stay healthy.